Hello and welcome to Coaster World 2018, and it all starts here at Mega Value Fun Park's Easter Fair in Wallasey. New for 2018 is Hangover. Absolutely stunning looking ride, and we're going to give it a go. Well, that was an absolutely awesome ride, and full of G-force, and yeah, quite intense. Good cycle as well. So yeah, I love cliff hangover. Hangover, should I say? Cliff hangover. So yeah, I think we're going to go on the Twister now. Yeah, I gotta love a classic Twister ride there. Bit of a short cycle, but it was a good ride. With this park anyway, it's £5 entry for the wristband. You get 3 hours, so you can have plenty of re-rides if you want to. Not as big as the last one, which I'm surprised about because it's on bigger land. The one we went to in the summer had a lot more rides, but it's got a few decent rides and a few new rides, so I'm going to give them all a go. I'm going to POV them. Hope you enjoy. Yeah, great ride there on the Paratrooper. Never done one of them before, but I still think an Enterprise is a lot better than that. But yeah, enjoyed that. Gonna try and find another ride to go on now. I'm not really sure what it's called, but I'll let you know when I find out. that was Sky Dancer, and I didn't really enjoy that. Didn't get to go upside down, and it is very uncomfortable, especially when you're sitting there waiting while it's loading. So it was the first for me. Never done one of them before, and I don't think I'll be doing one again. We are going to go and do this Funhouse Jumbo Circus. Not included on the wristbands, so it's £2 a go. You looking forward to this one, Chaz?
Yeah.
So yeah, I know it's for kids and that, but it's a bit of fun. Which bit are we doing? I'm going to try it. Whoa! Help! Let's try that again. So much fun. That's why it's called a Funhouse. Oh, getting drift on. Oh, oh! Look at this turntable. And another one. Uh-oh. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, bit of pole dancing. Whee! I feel like a piece of jewellery on one of those turntables in the jewellers. Wow! Right, which way is it? Race you up the stairs. Ugh. Yeah, it does. Until you take your next step. I'm not going on that bit. Oh Wallasey Bridge. Oh, whoa!
Down is the bloody slide.
Yeah. Right. You go first.
Oh Jesus! It's dark. I'm not going in that.
Go on.
I'll get stuck.
Right. Let's do this slide.
Is that the only way to get down?
Yeah. See you at the bottom.
See? You get stuck.
So that was the Funhouse. Definitely fun. What do you reckon, Chaz?
No!
Only way down. I think the slide was the best part.
Yeah, I did try going back, but they won't let me.
I think I've got a bit of bruised knee syndrome from going on that roller thing at the beginning. I couldn't move. I could not move. But yeah, it was fun. Right. Now, this place has got a coaster credit. It's meant for kids, but I'm determined to get on it. I'm going to have a word with the ride operator and to see if they'll let us offer a POV. But it does say that only adults can go on with a child. But Chaz could be my child. So let's see what happens. Yes, got the runaway train. Big respect actually to the ride operator. He had a bit of a laugh and a joke. He said, how much am I going to pay him and all that sort of stuff, and then he was like, no, just go on. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Another coaster credit. So yeah. honest, they are some of the worst bumper cars I've ever done. They were losing power when they got down the far end, and everything just seems wrapped up in duct tape. So yeah, but you know, whenever there's bumper cars available, you can't not go on them. So I have to give them a go. Wow, I am so dizzy after that one. It actually seemed faster than usual. I could actually feel it pushing right down on my chest and everything. But I always love going on a rage cage. Right, well, we're heading off now. Had a few good rides there. Just a shame it was a bit smaller than what I expected. But yeah, some brand new rides, some that I've never done before, and had a good time. As I say, it's a £5, 3 hours on the wristband, and it's here till the 15th of April. So if you want to head down and give the rides a go, plenty of kids rides as well. We've got the teacups here, and Dumbos and things like that as well. So yeah, if you don't know what to do with the kids over the Easter holidays, bring them to Mega Value Fun Park. So we're going to leave it here. We're off to Alton Towers tomorrow to ride the Wicker Man. So looking forward to that one, especially getting back on Nemesis. Can't wait to get back on that one. So yeah, 2018 has now begun, and there's lots to come for this year. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.